Have you ever wondered why we're so drawn to horror movies? Beyond the scares and suspense, there's a deeper philosophical undercurrent that often goes unnoticed. Today, we'll explore how Stoic philosophy can provide a unique lens through which to view these terrifying tales. Stoicism teaches us to accept what is beyond our control and focus on what we can change. In the context of horror, this means acknowledging our fear but refusing to let it consume us. Consider the iconic scene in Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, where Marion Crane faces a terrifying situation yet remains calm and resourceful. Horror films often feature protagonists who must confront their fears and overcome adversity. These characters can be seen as embodying Stoic virtues like courage, wisdom, and justice. Ripley from Alien and Laurie Strode from Halloween are prime examples of Stoic heroes. Even the villains in horror movies can be interpreted through a Stoic lens. Their actions, while often evil, may be driven by a desire for power or control. The Joker from The Dark Knight is a complex character whose chaotic actions can be seen as a misguided attempt to assert control. Many horror movie tropes, such as the haunted house or the supernatural monster, can be interpreted through a Stoic lens. The haunted house can represent the fear of the unknown, while the supernatural monster can reflect our own anxieties. Psychological horror films often explore themes of trauma, guilt, and madness. Stoicism can provide a framework for understanding these complex narratives. The Stoics believe that our emotions are largely determined by our perceptions. By examining the characters' perceptions and beliefs, we can gain insights into their psychological state. Social horror films often explore themes of societal decay, moral corruption, and the loss of humanity. Stoicism can provide a lens through which to analyze these themes. The Stoics emphasize the importance of living a virtuous life and contributing to the well-being of others. By viewing horror films through a Stoic lens, we can gain a deeper appreciation for these terrifying tales. Stoicism teaches us to face our fears with courage and wisdom, and to find meaning even in the darkest of times. So the next time you're watching a horror movie, consider the philosophical implications. Perhaps you'll discover a new level of appreciation for these terrifying tales.